Hi, I'm Jeff Walker. I'm an architect here at LPAS, and I'd like to welcome you to our virtual firm tour. With the help of some of my colleagues here at the office, we hope to give you a look behind the scenes at what it's like to work at an architecture firm. LPAS is an architecture and design firm. Our three main disciplines are architecture, landscape architecture, and interior design. But we also have people in the office who specialize in things like marketing, graphic design, 3D renderings, human resources, accounting, office management, contract writing, all sorts of things. Together, we're a team and we're here to support each other on our projects. The great thing about being at a firm like this is you're never alone on a project. There's always someone you can ask a question to or get extra help if you need it. The main area in the office has desks and computers where the employees work. To the sides, there are several conference rooms, a break room, and a print room with large-scale plotters for architectural drawings. We also have a materials samples library. Marketing and graphic design are related fields that play an important role behind the scenes at an architecture and design firm. They help us secure new projects and new clients.
I'm making myself some afternoon tea. My name is Siddhapan Pomalin. I go by SP. I am the proposal coordinator at LPAS Architecture Design. That's top secret, but I will let you know that we submitted our quals for a higher education project in the Bay Area. We are going to submit for another higher education project, so I am going through and proofreading our quals, which is short for qualifications. Oh, there's a lot of things that I like about marketing, but I think my most favorite would be getting to show off our firm and just showing people what LPS is all about and trying to bring in new business.
So now we're here in one of our conference rooms in the office. Normally this room would be used to meet with engineers that we're working with on projects or with clients. But right now, because of COVID-19, we're meeting mostly online via webcam. In front of me here are three sets of drawings from different stages of the project. So the first drawing set here is from the schematic design phase of the project. As you can see, it's more colorful. There are lots of images inside this drawing set, and when you get to the floor plans and things, they're a lot more diagrammatic and simple. And this is really what we put together in the beginning of the project when we're still coming up with ideas. The client's going to review this and give us feedback, and the city or jurisdiction where the project is going to be built are also going to review this and give us feedback, and then we can make additional changes to the design if we need to.
Hi, my name is Ankita and I am a job captain at LPAS Architecture and Design. I have finished just about a year at the firm and I'm loving it here. Okay, so the project that I was working on is called Pleasant Grove Apartments, and it is located in Roseville, California, and it is an affordable housing project with Mercy Housing, which is one of the nation's largest affordable housing organizations. The site is about 4.96 acres, and the housing project will comprise of 132 units. Okay, so my primary task for this project was to put the entire entitlement package together ready for submittal. The package basically comprises of like a general section that states the project data, the project team, a few renderings of what the structure looks like, and it could give you a look and feel of the project along with the proposed materials to be used. And then there's a site section that has the site plan and the landscape plan. And then there's the architectural section that has all the floor plans, unit plans, plans of any proposed amenities, along with sections and elevations. And lastly, there is the civil section that has basically the grading, drainage, and stormwater layouts for the site. So basically, putting this package together required a ton of coordination with the teams that worked on each of these disciplines, getting drawings from each of these teams, formatting them, and fitting them to the size to match our format. And for the architectural set, I had to make sure that everything is exported to the right scale, all the colors shown are correctly indicated, and that everything is labeled appropriately. All right, so what I really enjoy on a day-to-day basis is that everything I do at work, whether it means building a conceptual model or creating a technical detail, it will eventually result in an actual structure used by real people. No matter how big or small my contribution may be, my work matters because I get an opportunity to make an impact on cities and people. And along with this impact being very apparent, it can also last decades, maybe even centuries, and it can very well become like part of the history's historic identity. But if I have to pick one thing that I like to do most at work, it will be working on a conceptual design for a project.
This next set of drawings here are from the design development phase, or DD phase of the project. As you can see, these are starting to look more like technical drawings that the builder would use to build a building, but there's not really all the detail here yet that there will be later on. And what we do in the design development phase is we're coordinating with all the different disciplines like structural engineers, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and civil engineers to figure out and coordinate all the systems that are going into the design. This last set of drawings here are the construction documents. These drawings are full of detail and information that a builder can use to construct the project. We call the phase when we're putting this set of drawings together the construction documents phase, or CDs. The final and fourth stage of the project is called construction administration, or CAs. This takes place during construction, and the designer's role is to support the contractor as they're building a project. We'll answer any questions or provide any information to them that they need.
My name is Christopher Maddox, and I am a senior project architect with LPAS Architecture Design in Sacramento. I'm working on a project for Capital Public Radio at 1010 8th Street in downtown Sacramento. I'm working on a project for Solano Transportation Authority. It's going into construction, so I'm helping to answer some questions from our lovely contractor. And I'm assisting another colleague on the Sherman-Williams Emeryville project, also in construction. So for the Solano Transportation Authority project, our subcontractor found a more cost-effective solution for the design of the stairs. And so we agreed with that proposal, and we're now revising the drawings to reflect the change. Absolutely, the collaboration process. We, as architects, are seen as the maestros to the band. And so we work with different people with different backgrounds and various skill sets. And we use our skills as collaborators to help bring the best out of everybody to, in this euphemism, create a song. But in our world, we're creating a building, like kind of works together with everybody. So working with people from various backgrounds on a daily basis, to me, is the best part.
Hi, this is Becky McCormick from LPAS, and this is my building, 601 Capitol Mall. It's multi-family. It's going to be 8 stories with a community terrace up on the 6th floor. And we're concrete up to that level, and then above that is all wood framing. We're here to take a look at how the building is progressing, and it's been a long time because of coronavirus since we've been here, so we're wanting to see how it's all going.
These 4 phases of the project, schematic design, design development, construction documents, and construction administration, are the way our work is structured in the building design fields. Whether you work at a large architecture firm, a small boutique firm, the office of a famous international architect, or a regional firm, almost anywhere in the world our work revolves around these 4 project phases. With this cycle of phases that spans anywhere from a few months to a few years, we get a lot of variety in our work. That means every day in the office has something new and different to do. Once in a while, it's good to take a break from work and have fun together as an office. We have lots of different events throughout the year. Here are just a few examples.
Guitar!
Thank you for taking the time to join us here at LPAS for this virtual firm tour. If architecture, landscape design, or interior design are fields that interest you, we hope you'll contact us with any questions you have about your career path.